In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your team in ClickUp. We'll start right from ClickUp Home, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. Think of Home as your command center. It gives you a quick sense of what's happening, but for deeper team management, you'll want to head into your workspace structure. Click on Spaces to open up the areas where your work lives. From there, choose the project that your team is actively working in so you're looking at the right set of tasks. Once you're in the project, switch to the list view. List is perfect for team management because it lays out tasks in a clean table-style format, making it easy to scan ownership, status, dates, and priority at a glance. Here, you can see the tasks your team is managing. Use this view to understand what's on everyone's plate and how the work is progressing. To focus on what matters most, click Filter at the top. Filters help you narrow the list so you're not sorting through every task manually. For team management, the most useful filters are status, due date, and assignee. Start by selecting assignee to view tasks owned by specific team members. This is great for quick check-ins or when you want to balance workloads. Next, use the status filter and choose in progress. This zooms in on the active work so you can see exactly what's moving right now. With these filters applied, your list should show the work each person is currently doing without the noise of completed or future tasks. Now review the assignee column to confirm who's responsible for each task. Clear ownership is key to accountability. If you're coordinating across multiple people, this is where you'll verify that every critical task has someone assigned. Then scan the due date column, look for anything overdue, due today, or coming up soon. Tight timelines may need a quick check-in, while longer timelines might be fine as is. Use this insight to plan your updates and support your team before deadlines slip. Finally, check the priority column. This tells you what needs attention first. High priority tasks paired with near-term due dates are your top focus. Lower priority items can often wait as long as they aren't blocking other work. And that's the workflow. Go to Home, open Spaces, pick your project, switch to List, and use filters for assignee, status set to in progress, due date, and priority. With this simple process, you'll keep visibility clear, expectations aligned, and progress on track.